Yeah, glad to see Progie. Everybody's got a smeller. There you go. They're all glad to have their baby home. We got to figure out where she's been. Yeah, what do you think? There you go. There's my girl. Yeah, look at you. And everybody's smelling where she's been sitting. You glad to have her home, Jada? Yep, the girls are happy. Yeah, what do you think, Jada? Look at it. Yeah, there we go. There's my spot, my favorite spot. Yes. Alright. Well, she's home. She's okay. Just got to watch her now for about 5 days. Small meals, 4 or 5 times a day.